friends, greetings, good afternoon. This is GK from your friendly investment channel. Today is Thursday, 6th of April 2023. Markets had a great run from last week. We started SPY at 399. It went as high as 411 over 1 week. Now, at this moment, it is time to go sideways. It is really a great move. I want this to stabilize for in this range at least from 405 to 411, 412 this week. That will definitely give some of the loose hands out and keep the SPY retaining its gains. So that is a good move. I really like it. I hope you guys like as well. DowJones Industrial average had a great move to the upside. That keeps some of the industrials which were lagging behind the overall market, right? So now what we have is crude. Crude oil is back above $80. We saw the 60 print, then it was quick run from 60 to 70, 70 to 80, which is a very good move. That keeps all of the energy stocks higher, and it also gives a support to SPY. Let's look at some of the market action and also look for some stocks that is breaking the trend might worth looking at it for Q2 play. Let's look at where SPY started last week. Started 329. If you look at it, it is around 398. Right? This is SPY daily chart going back to near. And then it had a good run up to 411. Right? 411, and then kind of paused a bit. Then the following day, that is yesterday or day before, this has gone down significantly to 406. And then today it has started back to 405, which is yesterday's low, was today's low as well, which is good. And then it went up to 409. It's trying to gain some momentum. This pattern, if it can hold it, doesn't give up the 4 prints, it can go sideways for a couple of days or even this week. It'll be fantastic. I know we had the ADP report, which looked strong, but there is not much of an action on SPY. Let's look at QQQ, the tech index. Same story, exactly following the SPY, because SPY has a lot of tech in it. SMH, semiconductor index, the same as well, because it's tech. SPY has a lot of tech in it. Now looking at the industries that is lagging, let's look at the XLI, the industrial sector, right? This has been lagging for some time, but it did bounce back in the last few days. From 327, it's bounced up, went to 101. Now it is a little bit in the range of $97. Hope it doesn't give up this 95 range, 200-day moving average. Then it's going to be a problem. There's some really doing well. The crude oil, right? XLE definitely has a good gain from 324 up here. So let's look at the crude futures, which is from 64 last week or 10 days ago to $80 is a big run. It's definitely going to continue with summer heading our way. The driving season is started. It's definitely going to keep that momentum going unless OPEC and our friends do something at, you know, adding more crude to the market probably might impact. And it's also very much tied to the geopolitical scenarios going on today, right? People are trying to bypass dollar and try to trade in their local currencies. Might have some impact to that as well. So let's see how it plays, but for now it is looking good. Um, so crude might be considered a Q2 play. Gold. Look at gold is again in the 2000. We never saw 2000 for a long time. If you look at multiple years, 3 years, 2089 was the highest. So this is definitely giving a new shape to the gold, right? What do you guys think? So BHP is one of them in terms of precious metals and mining. Not much of an action. Gold, probably another one. Probably looking at gold, looks like it is moving to the upside. But there are other stocks on the gold that you can look at. So let's look at some of them that is moving above the trend. The first one is GE, that's breaking the trend, which has run almost from September, then October was the second move. I think December is the second one. So 47, 47, 50 bucks, 60 bucks. Then the third or fourth area is $80, and then finally to $97. This is after GE broke up their healthcare unit, which also really running, right? GE is one. Looking at Honeywell is another one that is, kind of breaking the trend. I wish it can go up to these levels. So definitely Honeywell has a lot to play. I'm just going to look for a daily chart. Definitely this is a breaking trend from low to getting back into the channel to go up, right? And then the last one I'm looking for is AMD. AMD had a nice run up to 98 and then it gave up. I would like to see if it can stabilize here at 90 bucks and go up, right? And NVIDIA is another one. Definitely it is breaking the trend. Intel, it's definitely reversed it and trying to stabilize here. That's also another play. These are all safe trades. Hopefully we'll see some strengths on these stocks. Thank you for tuning in, guys. Talk to you again soon. Hello, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a fantastic day. Cheers.